If your thermostat software update keeps failing, you are definitely not alone, and getting it fixed is way easier than you might think. So, first off, try restarting your device, because sometimes it just needs a quick reset to clear out any glitches messing with the update. Next, if you are using Wi-Fi, switch to a wired connection. This can seriously help with stability and speed during the download and installation. Make sure your thermostat is plugged in or has enough battery life before starting the update, so it does not shut down mid-process. Also, check if there are any other devices hogging your internet bandwidth. Slowing things down could cause the update to fail. Clear out any temporary files or cache related to the thermostat app if you can, as that sometimes helps smooth things out. Confirm that your thermostat's firmware version is compatible with the latest update to avoid any conflicts. If possible, update the thermostat during off-peak hours when your internet is less busy. Lastly, keep the thermostat close to your router if you are stuck using Wi-Fi. Signal strength plays a big role here. One of the biggest mistakes with thermostat software updates is ignoring the power source, which can kill the update if the device dies halfway through. So always check battery or plug-in status first. Another common issue is relying solely on wireless connections. These can be unstable and cause failed updates, so using a wired connection when possible is a solid fix. People also often forget to restart their thermostat before trying again, which is a simple but effective step to clear errors that block updates. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners because it helps you find trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff and get the job done right. For contractors, it is a great spot to connect with new clients and keep their work pipeline steady without all the hassle.